Alright, this video is for plumbing. Start off with the pump. Pumps about 660 gallons an hour. Up. It's got 3/4 inch thin wall plumbing. Up towards the back, 90s up. And I'll come behind here. And if you look right there, '90s over to the top of the tank, and then from there it tees off the one side and dumps in, and the other side and dumps in, and then it does the same thing towards the front, a little wider over here. The same thing back over here, and then it also tees forward and drops right in right here. And then you get your nozzles in the water here to create all kinds of current on the rock. Step back and you take a look. And then the return is this 90 here with the strainer kind of built in. It's like a baffle. Comes through the back. It's 3-inch pipes. And that 90s towards the other side. If you look on the other end, it's exactly the same. It goes down and 90s, they 90 together into a T, and that T comes off at a 45, goes into a 45 coupling and dumps into the sump, which is going to be up next.